Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your budget with YNAB easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open the YNAB application on your device. If you don't have YNAB installed, download it from the official website. Next, sign in to your YNAB account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your budget screen. Look for the Accounts section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Account to begin the connection process. Select your bank from the list provided. If your bank isn't listed, you can choose Link to your bank manually. Follow the prompts to enter your bank's login information securely. After entering your credentials, YNAB will try to connect to your bank. Once connected, you'll see a prompt to select accounts to import transactions. Select the account you wish to link and confirm your choice. Next, adjust the settings for transaction imports if necessary. You can choose to import transactions automatically or manually. Once you finalize your settings, click Connect. YNAB will start pulling in your recent transactions. After the import is complete, review the transactions for any discrepancies. Categorize each transaction to align with your budgeting goals. This will help you track your spending effectively. You can now start seeing the impact of your budget in real time. Make sure to regularly check for new transactions in YNAB. Remember to keep your linked accounts updated for accuracy. That concludes the steps on how to connect your budget with YNAB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.